5,
So
4,
be it.
3,
Champions,
2, 1.
attack!
I'll keep you alive to witness the end ordering. I would not want the light
Beware.
to miss seeing this wretched world
4,
remade
3, 2, 1.
image.
Melee.
Get ready for plague.
3, 2, 1.
Aqua.
Watch your step.
Aqua, careful on the way back.
Range for Shadow Trap.
Four, 3, 2, 1.
Melee.
Beware. 4, 3, 2,
Runar.
1.
Melee again.
Beware. 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch your step.
Range move. Go back.
4, 3, 2,
We're about to transition.
Beware.
Transition. He's doing an infest.
Oh, that's a terrible time for the
Here's
transition.
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 I will freeze you from within until all that remains is an
Spirit.
husk.
Next
Spirit.
spirit. You lived. That's all that matters.
Spirit.
Next spirit. Make sure Chronag has threat. Yep.
Quake.
Watch as the world around you collapses.
I saw that tonsil.
Beware.
Spirit's down. Good job.
3, 2, 1.
Target you.
Melee swap the
4,
circle.
3,
File send.
1.
File.
Defile.
Tool
Top corner.
reverse.
Frenzy.
Good job getting it out there.
Stag tight, guys. Back on them.
I'm just really getting burned on the back right now.
Beware.
Alright. Stack up. Get a slow trap
4,
down. Thank you.
3,
Wait for defile. There you go.
1. Taunt voice.
Ignore
Defile.
circle.
Frenzy.
Beware.
Melee go to dying. And back to Lich. It's gonna be defile first.
Taunt voice. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Defrenzy.
It's on blade. Shift to the right. Shift right. Shift right. Get another slow trap down if we can.
Yep.
Good job adjusting. Really good job. Melee swap to circle.
Taunt boss.
Defile
Alright,
soon.
Stop attacking.
3,
Yeah, here comes the
2,
file.
frenzy.
No, it doesn't.
1. Defile.
It's on blade again.
Beware.
Here comes the Valkyries.
Stop attacking.
The file's about to go out in 5.
4,
Frenzy.
3, 2,
1.
1. Run away.
Taco. Nice job getting out.
Beware.
Go ahead and drag the Lich King over to the right. We're not going to have another Valk phase.
Stop attacking.
Everybody on Lich King. Good job. Very good job.
Transition.
Freeze you from within
Jump.
until all that remains.
Spread out. Watch it, right?
Spirit.
Remember, you can blow your 1 minutes here. Probably save it until the 3rd spirit, though, because we're going to be down in the last room for another 40 seconds.
Spirit.
Next spirit.
Spirit.
So use your 1 minutes now.
Spirit.
Okay, here's the last raging spirit, guys. Just get some damage on it as we go down. Fire it up.
Phase
up.
change.
Got 58. Okay. Not bad. Okay. Everybody come to skull.
Bring Arthas to justice. To see the Lich King
I'm gonna move forward a little bit. Wait for that one in front of us to explode.
First,
Stack up here.
must escape Frostmourne's hold, or be damned as I am, trapped
That
within
one.
this
There we go.
cursed
Forward.
blade for all eternity.
Remember, Defile is going to be coming up as soon as we come out. We're gonna go to the middle. Go to middle. And we're gonna go up to the
3,
left.
2, 1.
About to come back up. Yep. Focus the Raging Spirit, guys. We still have a Raging
Defile.
Spirit up.
Cormag.
Taunt
Reaper.
boss.
Frenzy. Vile spirits.
I put a trap near the center. If you run directly through.
Yep, go ahead and
See it?
start dragging him through.
Ash, if you can try and get another one.
I did.
Word. No, nice. I see.
It actually worked out.
Defile soon.
2, 1. Run out. Watch your feet. Taunt
Reaper.
boss.
Okay, we taunt.
Vile spirits.
4 seconds, say.
I'm good.
Frenzy.
We
I
drop
can eat-
another one in the center.
Taco, I'm gonna help you with this next one whenever we come back out. We're about to
Phase change.
hardest. Yeah. Whenever we come back up, pop a D-Sack and an AM Shadow. Stacked by the teleporter.
To bring Arthas to justice. To see the Lich King destroyed.
Remember, you got Hellstones in this phase.
Yeah. We're gonna shift over to our left a little bit. We're gonna wait for that one to explode.
You must
Shift.
escape Frostmourne's hold, or be damned as I am.
Shift a little bit more just so we don't accidentally take that one.
Blade for all eternity.
Good. Shift back left once that one explodes. We're gonna go straight. Get away from these.
3, 2, 1.
It's ending.
Explode.
Well,
We're about to go up. Yep. Here comes File.
Top of the Vile Spirits.
Tormag again.
Vile spirits.
Yep, get him away from the Vile Spirits.
Yeah, come to
Good
the edge.
job.
Please watch out for that defile. Don't make it bigger for the love of God.
I won't have Guardian Spirit anymore.
All good, dude.
I'll try this one.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Defile.
Toned boss.
Vile spirits. Frenzy.
Big old bubble soak.
Go ahead and start dragging him as soon as you can. Yep. Drag him as far away as you can. Go with the boss, guys. Go with the boss.
Phase
That way when we
change.
come out, we're really close to him. Alright. We got this. Stack on the teleporter.
You have come to bring Arthas to justice.
Use
Don't
host
tunnel vision.
Yep.
Same old, same
We're
old.
gonna go to the right. Yep, we're moving to the right. If you have your Innervate Runar, use it on Huey.
You must
Shifting more to the right.
Cosmos hold, or be damned as I am, trapped within this
A little
cursed
bit more to the
blade
right.
for all eternity.
Doing good, guys. Doing good. As long as we just keep going around in this circle, I am okay with this. Pop D. So when we come out, D Sax and AM Shadow. Okay, remember, Defile is going to be dropping as soon as we come out. I'm going into bear form.
Run away.
I got this one.
I'm still going to help.
Shit, I couldn't get.
Toned boss.
It's fine. It's fine. You're good.
Vile spirits.
I will die for this shit. I do not care. I got Huey. Don't worry.
You got both done.
Don't run through that defile. Watch where you're going.
I have one as well.
Focus boss. 5%. 4%, guys. Push.
Defile come
You
out
have
in
slow
5.
stone?
4,
I do, I do,
Yep,
I do.
focus.
Wait for these,
Okay.
wait for these spirits.
Yep.
1.
Yep.
Defile.
Defile. Sumac.
Found me. Got it out.
Good job. Good job.
Toned
Soul
boss.
Push it. Yes.
Good job, everyone.
On farm.
Ooh.
Let's go.
Good job.
Fuck.
There you go.
Dude, I've been waiting to say this.
Let's
Fuck
go.
that guy. Fuck
We do the
that
thing.
guy. Oh.
Azeroth's greatest
Good fucking job.
That
was actually pretty clean, too. More like
Only-
bitch king.
You put
Got
it this
him.
way. The amount of time that we spent waiting, trying to hope Sarok's issue would resolve itself, thankfully it fucking did. We pulled what, twice? A person
Well, I think
down?
Our total pulls on like heroic Lich King is like not very bad. Like
It's probably not.
we really hadn't pulled that guy.
Yeah, we didn't get to try him for a whole month, unfortunately. So I think we could get there the first week of December. Then,
Yeah.
holidays.
But still, phenomenal, guys. We focused up. We got this fucking down. Phenomenal.
Dude, your heart's pounding. My hands are tingling, and that happened in like the third phase. My hands were like shaking. I was like,
I was
ah,
shaking.
shit. I'm a healer, bro. I was like, fuck, I gotta heal.
Healer, bro.
Bro, I move with my mouse most of the time in like really intense parts like that down phase, and like what was it, the third one? I was shaking, like I could barely move my dude around.
Yeah,
Dude,
everybody
we
was
did it.
alive at the end. We had a couple people
Except
die.
I.
Well, no, Ty had a soul stone. He
I got
used
back
it.
up and then died
Yep.
again.
Yep.
Don't worry.
I think they were all
back up
tactical
today.
to deal with the spirits, right?
I was actually out of mana, so tactical death.
Is it cinematic
Yeah.
any different?
I don't know, honestly.
Cinematic, no, it's
No, it's not.
Yeah.
Need a
Who
soundbite
cares?
of
Heroic Lich King is dead.
Need a soundbite of you just saying, "I'm just a healer."
Give me the strength to shatter these bonds.
You know what, Gript? It doesn't matter what it took. We got it. Because you have to think, there's still guilds out here that haven't done this.
Very true.
Yeah, hard mode is hard.
Yep.
Yep.
That Forge ring, we can do something. Damn
But
Forge
you
ring.
know what? We got it. We got it down.
Get him, Drisk.
No more lives will be
I cannot
consumed by
believe
your
people did
hatred.
this in 2 hours in TOGC gear.
Yeah, they did.
Pretty sure they
With all
With
warlocks.
killed it too.
Well, they also
Right.
had. Didn't they also have like 16 warlocks?
Probably.
And
Probably min-max.
Yeah,
Unholy
like it
Decay,
was something
fucking
stupid big. Like they had a
Yeah.
lot of warlocks.
For like a fucking month.
Hey, wait, he
Yeah.
drops gear that we actually want now.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
he
very
does.
true.
Comp token.
Right, comp
Ranger
token,
General.
I don't
Just
care what
imagine.
weapon drops. Just give me a comp token.
Bruh, it's a staff drop. I really want the staff drop. I know I won't get it,
As
but
long as someone can use it, that's all I care about.
agreed.
Okay, so
I am with you on
can
that.
have the
Pretty sure if he doesn't
staff
drop
of
anything, no one can
polearm.
use.
Here comes the achievement.
Whatever, is it the polearm or a staff? I fucking honestly forget.
Yeah, it's a pole arm.
Oh,
That's
I
why I
don't
said
give
you
a fuck.
could have.
Yeah, no, give me that
That's why I said
polearm.
you could have the staff.
I'm
Nah, give
sitting
me
here,
that
Eleanor.
polearm.
I am moving.
Oathbinder!
Yes.
And the reins! Oh my god!
No,
Oh my
range
God.
actually
Twice.
dropped.
The range
Oathbinder
drop!
twice.
Wow.
Oathbinder twice.
Oathbinder
and no count.
Oh my god. Okay.
2 Oathbinder.
Well,
Double Oathbinder.
Tonsil?
Kinda weird.
That is
According to my
so,
add-on,
so on par for us. That is so
Tonsil?
fucking. That
Yeah.
is
Good
so
luck on your
on par.
100 roll, dude.
was not a conch token though.
add
Nope,
proc
no,
token.
no comp. I'm out. See you guys later.
Oh my god.
Oh my
The mount
god.
and 2 hunter weapons. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
You gonna raid roll them out?
Hunter weapon, thank you very much. What?
You're a hunter.
Yeah, it's only a hunter weapon.
You're literally a hunter pet.
Bullshit.
You're a hunter fed.
I think I can.
If I'm a hunter pet, I do more damage than the fucking owner of me. Then.
You're a no nerf SOD hunter pet. Just running
There we
around
go.
soloing people.
So a scorpion.
Yes!
Scratch tie. Smack people with it.
Finally.
Oh man.
That's not a bonking weapon.
Sure, it's a slicing weapon.
He bonks
Oh,
the
heck.
other end.
Oh, yeah.
He's holding it the other way around.
This is what I like to see.
Wait, you're supposed to hit him with the pointy end?
Alright, rolling
That's
out.
his religion.
I'm gonna roll out Invincible, guys. Everyone's
Okay.
here gets to roll on it.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Tonsil doesn't get a 100, I'm gonna be sad.
95. I see that from Ash.
Torment with the 96.
96.
96.
Oh,
Big.
shit,
That's
Torment
not
is
going
gonna
to
be the
fucking
one.
Tormag,
Oh my
dude.
God.
Hell
It's
no.
going to Torment.
Oh my
It's going to
fucking
Torment.
Deserved.
Deserved. He said yes.
That's some
Really
fucking
Ah.
bullshit.
I don't.
I was just about to say, if I get the
Congrats,
reins,
Tormag.
I'm not getting the pole arm.
Hey, can you mount it? Where can you mount that thing? I don't even know what it looks like.
You would probably have to be in Dalaran to mount.